Good morning, Sarah. I called this meeting to discuss the marketing project budget. We need to make some decisions today.
Good morning, Tom. I've looked at the budget proposal you sent. My team needs more resources than what's currently allocated.
I understand your concerns. Unfortunately, our budget is tight this quarter. Which areas exactly need more money?
The digital advertising budget is too low. We need at least $20,000 more to reach our target audience. How flexible is the overall budget?
Well, the overall budget is pretty fixed due to company limits. Do you have data showing why we need more ad money? Maybe we can move money from other areas.
Here are our projection numbers from the last campaign. We saw a 30% increase in conversions when we increased ad spend. Where do you think we could cut costs in other areas?
What about reducing the budget for printed materials? Digital marketing seems to give better returns these days. Does that work for you?
That's a fair point. I can reduce the print budget by $10,000, but we still need an additional $10,000 from somewhere else. What about the event budget?
The event budget is already quite tight. What if we reduce it by $5,000 instead of more? Would that work for your team's needs?
That would help. What about the photography budget? Could we use stock photos for some materials to save money?
That's a good suggestion. We can reduce the photography budget by $5,000. Does that give you enough for the digital advertising now?
Yes, that would work. So we'll take $10,000 from print, $5,000 from events, and $5,000 from photography. Can we document this agreement today?
Absolutely. I'll update the budget proposal and send it to everyone by the end of the day. Is there anything else we should consider before finalizing?
What happens if we need more money later in the project? Is there any flexibility once we start implementation?
We do have a small emergency fund for unexpected costs. If you need more resources, we'll need to justify it with performance data. Does that sound reasonable?
Yes, that's fair. Thanks for working with me on this. When will the revised budget be implemented?
The new budget will take effect next Monday. I'll need your final approval on the revised document by Friday. Can you review it by then?
Yes, I can review it by Friday. Thank you for working with me on this. I think we've found a good balance.
I agree. By working together, we've found a solution that helps your team while staying within our limits. Let's meet again in a month to see how it's working.
That sounds great. I'm glad we could agree on this. See you at the team meeting tomorrow.
Perfect. Thanks for being flexible. Have a great day. Budget. Allocate. Flexible. Negotiate. Compromise. Proposal. Agreement. Balance. Justify. Implement.